Ladies and gentlemen, we started our business in 2004, and we started to make cell phone in 2008.
I am honored to introduce a new addition to the Find series, a phone that will once again redefine its era, the flagship Find X. The natural design shows no redundant element in the body. It is truly a piece of art. Moreover, the Find X has a panoramic design incorporating the beauty of nature with unparalleled smooth handling, pure beauty of perfection. The Find X will have two gradient color combinations, Bordeaux red and glacier blue. All four sides allow the color to flow like water and shine like crystal gem. The advanced 3D streaming layer technique was used. Its composite structure with color overlaying superior texture and coating enables the body color to deliver a moving, deeper visual experience. There is no notch, no cutout, all screen. This is panoramic arc screen. We have reduced each edge at four sides of the screen as much as possible. It's not hard to shrink the edges on the top and the sides. The hardest part is to reduce the bottom edge. We use COP flexible screen packing technology in the Find X. And finally reduce that black edge to 3.4 millimeters. The visual screen ratio of the Find X reaches 93.8%. It only accounts for a small proportion of daily phone usage time of the average consumer. So, our solution is this. Take a look at the screen behind me. Stealth 3D camera. When not in use, the cameras are hidden, providing a sleek and uniform exterior. When activated, the camera pops up, much like the Find X is blinking its eye at you. This pop-up solution maintains the simple elegance of the phone. Another question is, how do I unlock the device? In Find X, facial recognition is considered an easier and safer way to unlock the device. We call it O-Face. You pick up the phone, the screen lights up automatically, the camera pops up while using the 3D face recognition to unlock. The Stealth 3D camera has a 3D structured light module with many high-tech components in it. Flood illuminators, infrared cameras, ranging sensors, dot projectors, receivers, and front camera. The flood illuminator and IR camera recognizes you even in low light conditions. You can even use this phone at night. And we project 15,000 facial dots for the facing detecting, completing a detailed and complete 3D model of the user's face. And then we compare it with the phone owner's face to unlock the device. The 3D face recognition of O-Face has a high level of security than fingerprint identification. The failure rate of fingerprint identification is 1 in 50,000. The failure rate of O-Face recognition is 1 in a million. O-Face is such a highly accurate form of identification. It can also be used for mobile payments. The security level is 20 times higher than fingerprint, which makes us safely trade. Today, we have partnered up with Alibaba Alipay to develop secure and fast-based payment solution for Android phones. The payment process is very simple. You pick the product you want to order, you confirm your order, and you finish the payment with just a look at the phone. We have this new 3D portrait light to render better human beauty. In the picture behind me, you can clearly see the details and the finesse with just the right amount of picture retouching. The phone shoots good portrait photos in different lighting scenarios. Find X 3D AI selfie brings you the aesthetics. Apart from the 3D smart selfie capture, OFace also has another interesting function. Since OIS has optical anti-vibration, dark lights will be brighter and photo taking performance will be more stable. As you can see from the screen behind me, this picture always stays bright, no matter if it's day or night. When it identifies the sunset or sunrise, the camera will change the color temperature automatically. And if it's a snowscape, then it will optimize the exposure logic. And for all you foodies out there, when it comes to food, it will make the colors more tasty. The dual camera not only enables bokeh effects, but also many portrait lighting effects. And this presents a sense of professional photography. Next, I want to talk to you about Find X ColorOS 5.1 AI intuitive system. We have just discussed its various functions, such as AI portrait mode, AI scene recognition. Find X comes with ColorOS 5.1 based on Android 8.1. We have been partnering up with Google for a long time. ColorOS will support Android P beta program. It enables the users to experience the latest features and latest Android OS. What I want to stress is in the Find X, we have upgraded the interaction experience of the voice activation. So you can talk to the assistant anytime and anywhere. We use a smart and low-powered mic, which adds DSP module in it. It can automatically and efficiently adjust the efficiency performance according to the acoustic environment. This allows Google Assistant to stand by at any time without you having to touch the device. Intelligence is everywhere in ColorOS 5.1 AI intuitive system, which enables Find X to always be one step ahead. For example, we have intelligent preloading. Based on the AI algorithm, preloading learns the user's habits. Therefore, it can predict the next 4 apps you're going to open and preload them and have them ready there for you. We have integrated a host of smart cards on the AI board, which is left of the home screen, which shows all kinds of services and information. Here's an example. When I receive my flight information, my phone will read it automatically, then show it in a card and remind me to start up map navigation to the airport with just one touch, eliminating many processes.
OPPO has been optimizing Qualcomm image, signal processors, integrating the Snapdragon, but it goes beyond camera, also working and optimizing key customers' experience, such as gaming, and how you think about the user interface, both speed and fluence. The Snapdragon 845 has been designed to deliver intelligent mobility, setting the bar for the premium tier smartphone with new architectures of AI and immersion.
The Find X comes with OPPO's long-time killer feature, VOOC Flash Charge. More than 90 million smartphones of OPPO have this technology equipped in it. With a 5-minute charge, it gives you 2 hours of talk time. You can play games while charging with custom-made wires and adapters, whose chips can guarantee safe currency. The phone will not heat up. The intelligence power management plus VOOC Flash Charge makes the Find X battery life 2 words: highly reliable. I have another announcement to make, which is our partnership with Lamborghini. We have collaborated with Lamborghini in design, giving the device more powerful and unique characters. The high-quality dark cover perfectly combines profound power and gem textures, highlighting its inner energy and the attractiveness. We have also engraved the Lamborghini logo onto, no matter from what angle you look at the phone. We have brand new design packaging as well for the accessories. You can see this features the bright yellow and black of the packaging. The inspiration of the Y design on the box comes from the car's light of the Ventotado, and the woven patterns of the charging cable in Find X you can perceive the fusion of OPPO and Lamborghini. In the special edition, the phone is equipped with Super VOOC Flash Charge. Find X Lamborghini bi-cell battery has roughly 3,400 milliamp capacity, while the Super VOOC, equipped with the 10-volt 5-amp charging specification, has a maximum charge voltage of 50 watts. Only our Lamborghini Edition can be fully charged in 35 minutes.
OPPO Find X is the future flagship smartphone with unifying design, including panoramic arc screen, gradient glass design, stealth 3D camera, all face recognition, 25 megapixel from the camera, AI-enhanced dual camera, ColorOS 5.1 system. The Find X with 256 GB ROM and the VOOC Flash Sharp Edition is €999, and it will be available in this August. For Lamborghini Special Edition is €1,699. Our launch event is coming to the end.